I've been working with the cardiac sleep and specifically in just material properties for the pneumatic actuators. Just actuators are gonna be helping compress the heart for patients with heart failure.
So my research is in diamond energy, specifically next generation semiconductors.
I study currently right now pneumonia, especially related to the structures that occur during pneumonic influence in an animal specimen.
So after graduation, I'm planning on pursuing a master's in mechanical engineering.
I'm going to a summer school. That was kind of my goal, like just getting more education.
So I'll be pursuing a PhD in nuclear engineering and radiological sciences.
I specifically want to really study brain cancer as well as the how to deliver a drug past the blood-brain barrier. It's incredibly hard right now, but I'm hoping that in the next 10 years or so I get there.
So the ISUR program provided structure and funding for the research project. I could have not gotten to where I am in my research project without them.
We have both the resources from professors academically and also industry.
It's definitely a great resource for getting involved in research.
So I would say it's really good for prospective students in furthering their research, and even students who are just starting research can also apply for the ISUR program and do a lot with it.